but a glimpse into the heart of Jakarta's new Chinatown. Nestled within the sprawling metropolis, this vibrant enclave pulsates with the spirit of China, offering a captivating journey of cultural immersion and sensory delight. Here, the familiar hum of Mandarin and Cantonese dances on the air, transporting you to the bustling streets of Shanghai or the lively markets of Hong Kong. The scent of freshly steamed dumplings and the sight of glistening Peking duck hanging in restaurant windows awaken a sense of nostalgia, even for those experiencing this cultural tapestry for the first time. New Chinatown is a testament to the enduring legacy of Chinese Indonesians, a vibrant community that has woven its traditions, cuisine, and spirit into the very fabric of Jakarta. It's a place where history comes alive, where ancient customs meet modern trends, and where the essence of China thrives on Indonesian soil. Step through the invisible gateway and prepare to be captivated by the sights, sounds, and flavors of a culture that has found a vibrant new home in the heart of Jakarta. The entrance to Jakarta's new Chinatown is marked by a magnificent structure, a traditional Chinese gate, or adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant colors. The gate serves as a symbolic portal, transporting visitors from the bustling streets of modern Jakarta into a realm steeped in Chinese heritage. Dragons, revered in Chinese mythology as symbols of power and good fortune, often adorn these gates, their sinuous bodies twisting and turning in intricate detail. The vibrant red and gold hues, auspicious colors in Chinese culture, further enhance the gate's grandeur, creating a striking visual spectacle that beckons visitors to explore the treasures within. Passing through the gate is a transformative experience. The energy shifts, the air becomes thick with the aroma of exotic spices and the sounds of a foreign tongue, and the familiar landscape of Jakarta fades into the background. It's as if you've stepped through a portal, leaving one world behind and entering another, a world where the spirit of China comes alive. Beyond the grand entrance, the streets of Jakarta's new Chinatown unfold like chapters in a captivating storybook. Each building, each alleyway, each shopfront whispers tales of a rich cultural heritage, transporting visitors back in time to the bustling streets of ancient China. Traditional Chinese shophouses, with their distinctive narrow facades and ornate balconies, line the streets, their weathered walls bearing witness to generations of history. Red lanterns, symbols of prosperity and good fortune, sway gently in the breeze, casting a warm glow over the bustling streets below. Look closer, and you'll discover intricate details that speak volumes about Chinese culture and beliefs. From the calligraphy adorning shop signs to the lucky cat figurines beckoning customers, each element holds a deeper meaning, revealing the rich tapestry of symbolism that permeates Chinese culture. No exploration of Jakarta's new Chinatown would be complete without indulging in its legendary culinary scene. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors, aromas, and textures that will transport you straight to the heart of China's culinary landscape. From humble street food stalls to upscale restaurants, New Chinatown offers a smorgasbord of options to tantalize every palate. The air is thick with the alluring scent of sizzling garlic, ginger, and chili, mingling with the sweet aroma of barbecued meats and the comforting smell of freshly steamed dumplings. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur of Chinese cuisine or a curious newcomer eager to embark on a culinary adventure, New Chinatown promises a gastronomic experience that will tantalize your senses and leave you craving for more. Embark on a culinary journey through the heart of China without ever leaving Jakarta. New Chinatown's diverse dining scene offers a tantalizing array of dishes, each representing a different region and culinary tradition within China. Begin your day with a steaming basket of dim sum, bite-sized portions of savory and sweet delicacies that are a staple of Cantonese cuisine. Indulge in the delicate flavors of har gow, steamed shrimp dumplings, or savor the rich savory filling of char siu bao, barbecued pork buns. For a heartier meal, venture into the realm of Sichuan cuisine, known for its bold flavors and fiery spices. Experience the tingling sensation of Sichuan peppercorns in dishes like mapo tofu, tofu and chili sauce, or kung pao chicken, chicken with peanuts and chili peppers. Step into one of New Chinatown's bustling markets, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of sights, sounds, and aromas that will awaken your senses. The air buzzes with the energy of vendors hawking their wares, shoppers bargaining for the best prices, and friends catching up amidst the vibrant chaos. Fresh produce spills out onto the sidewalks, creating a kaleidoscope of colors. Vibrant red chilies, leafy greens, exotic fruits, and fragrant herbs beckon shoppers with their freshness and variety. Nearby, seafood vendors proudly display their catches of the day, from glistening fish to plump prawns, their stalls alive with the sounds of bubbling water and the scent of the sea. The markets are a feast for the senses, offering a glimpse into the heart and soul of New Chinatown's community. It's a place where traditional commerce meets cultural exchange, where generations gather to shop for fresh ingredients and share stories, and where the spirit of China comes alive in every transaction. Beyond its culinary delights and vibrant atmosphere, Jakarta's New Chinatown stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Chinese Indonesian culture. It's a place where ancient traditions are preserved, celebrated, and passed down through generations. Step inside one of the many temples that grace the neighborhood, and you'll be transported to a realm of peace and tranquility. The air is thick with the scent of incense, and the gentle chanting of monks creates an atmosphere of reverence and spirituality. These temples, often adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant murals depicting scenes from Chinese mythology and folklore, serve as vital centers of religious and cultural life for the Chinese Indonesian community. Jakarta's New Chinatown is a vibrant tapestry woven from threads of history, tradition, and modernity. It's a place where the past and present coexist in harmonious balance, where ancient customs are honored, and where new generations are embracing their heritage in innovative ways. Witness this intergenerational exchange in the bustling tea houses, where elderly men gather for their daily dose of gossip and green tea, while young entrepreneurs sip on trendy bubble tea concoctions, their laptops open, and their fingers flying across keyboards. The fusion of old and new is palpable in every corner of New Chinatown. In the traditional medicine shops offering ancient remedies alongside modern pharmaceuticals, in the fusion restaurants blending classic Chinese dishes with Indonesian flavors, and in the art galleries showcasing both traditional calligraphy and contemporary installations. Beyond its vibrant facade and tantalizing attractions, Jakarta's New Chinatown is ultimately a testament to the resilience, adaptability, and enduring spirit of the Chinese Indonesian community. It's a place where a community, once marginalized and misunderstood, has not only survived but thrived, enriching the cultural fabric of Jakarta in the process. New Chinatown stands as a symbol of unity and inclusivity, a place where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate Chinese Indonesian culture, to savor its culinary delights, and to experience the warmth and hospitality of its people. Jakarta's New Chinatown is more than just a neighborhood. It's a microcosm of the city's vibrant, multicultural identity. It's a place where cultures intersect, where traditions are shared, and where the boundaries between us and them blur into a tapestry of shared experiences. New Chinatown serves as a vital bridge between Indonesia and China, fostering cultural understanding and appreciation between these two nations, with a long and complex history. It's a place where visitors can immerse themselves in Chinese culture, learn about its traditions, and gain a deeper understanding of the Chinese Indonesian community's contributions to Indonesian society. Jakarta's New Chinatown is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a sensory journey that will stay with you long after you've left its bustling streets behind. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the sights, sounds, and aromas of a culture that is both familiar and exotic, both ancient and modern. So come, wander through its vibrant streets, savor its culinary delights, and discover the hidden treasures that await in Jakarta's New Chinatown. Let yourself be transported to a world of wonder, where the spirit of China comes